Welcome to Mark in a Minute, where you get the important stuff in just 60 seconds. Each of these 60-second videos summarizes a subject in reference to the Tampa Bay area and its incredible realty market. So let's get started.
Milton and I are in Oakfield Trails today, and we're going to talk to Ashton Woods Builder.
This is Jack over here at Ashton Woods Oakfield Trails. Such a great neighborhood. We're so proud to be a part of this neighborhood. We got home size that are 50-foot home size, 60s, and we go all the way to 70 home size in this neighborhood. Over 10 different floor plans, 1,700 square feet, all the way to 4,400 square feet, 2-car garage, all the way to 4-car garage in this neighborhood. Come on and see it for yourself. I look forward to seeing you.
Thank you for watching Mark in a Minute. Be sure to like or dislike and subscribe below. Apparently, it is very important. And as always, be sure to ask me the questions that are most important to you. Have a great day.